Hey guys, welcome back to week 9 of our holiday home challenge. It's almost here. It's almost here. I'm very excited because this week we are decorating and organizing our holiday decor. The first thing I did was pack up all of the fall decor, which honestly I'm kind of sad about. I feel like I just put it out. This is my favorite year for fall. I love all of these fall decor that I made this year, so I'm sad to pack them up. But it's time to let it go and move on for Christmas. So packing everything up and then just giving everything a good wipe to remove all the dust before I fill it up with holiday decor. Next, I brought up all my Christmas totes. I'm embarrassed to say I have a lot. I feel like I need to justify this to say that this is 2 rooms and 2 trees, but still there's a lot of totes that I was bringing up. I am not a minimalist. That's for sure, but I love it. It makes me happy. I've definitely purged a lot, and that's what I'm gonna do right now when opening up all of these bins, is try to find more decor that I can let go of. So I'm filling up a donation bin with the few things that I find that I haven't used in the last 2 years. They're gonna go. Now comes the decorating part. Okay, so here is my quick decorating tip. Everybody has a different aesthetic, but for me, it's cheap. That's my goal here. How can I get a home fully decorated for the holidays without spending very much money at all? And that is dollar store garland. I'm obsessed with dollar store garland. I wrap a few strands together and I put it everywhere, on the mantle, I put it behind the sofa, I put it on the buffet, I cut it up and I use it to make centerpieces, and then I just layer dollar store ornaments on top. There's no hot glue, it's just shoving them here and there. And it's quick, it's super cheap. Dollar store garland, dollar store ornaments are all you need to transform your space for the holidays. Once all the decor was up, then it was time for the tree. Here is my favorite tree organizing tip. Are you ready for it? I used to be a save the box person. I guess because my mom and my grandma saved the boxes. Why do we do this? You know, or we wrap all the things in tissue. It takes forever to take everything out. It takes forever to put things back. Something always breaks. No more. Instead, I want you to just get a bin, some cardboard, and some Solo cups, and hot glue the Solo cups to the cardboard. Then you can stack them in layers. This is so fast. You're pulling the ornaments off the tree, you're tossing them in, no wrapping, no worried about them getting broken, no need to keep the boxes. Everything is safe, but it's so fast to take down your decorations too. We have not broke one ornament since we've switched to this, and I went from 3 totes for Christmas ornaments for one tree down to 1. It is a must do. Can we talk for a second about Christmas colors? So when you're decorating for the holidays, are you a multi-light person? Do you do traditional red and green? I have never been a multicolor light or traditional red and green person. And I think a lot of that has to do with my organizing style. Honestly, I like visual simplicity. Believe it or not, I know you're looking at all this stuff behind me like, whoa, you like simplicity. But visually, when I pick just a few colors, I feel like it's less stressful for me, if that makes sense. So when I have like a lot of different colors going on, I feel like, my eyes, or I'm feeling anxious, I guess, in a space. So it doesn't matter to me about the quantity of stuff. It matters more the distractibility of it, which is why I chose more, I guess, monotone colors. It's gold, it's white, and it's teal, of course, because I have an obsession with teal. But my kids were giving me a really hard time about it. They were like, Where's the green and red, Mom? Where's the multicolored lights? Where are the ornaments that spin and all of that stuff that their grandparents have? And I love looking at that, but I don't think that I could do it all day long. But I'm curious about your decor and what it looks like. And if you think this is weird that I'm just doing monotone colors, it's okay to say that. It's okay to say that. Yeah, I'm just curious. So everything is decorated, and this is the first year that I haven't bought anything. I didn't do any dollar store DIYs. I used what I had. It's quick. It was a little painless. I feel like this year has sort of like been a dumpster fire of suckage, and I'm just not really feeling it. There, I said it. I'm not really feeling the holidays right now, so it's a fake it till you make it thing. I'm toning it down, and I'm feeling good about that, honestly. Let me know in the comments below if you decorated earlier this year, and if you're toning it down too, or are you like all in to make this the most epic holiday ever? I'm definitely curious how you're feeling about 2020's holiday season in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. This is the face of someone who's panicking. I'm panicking because I haven't started Christmas shopping yet. I don't know where the year went and how it creeped up and what's going on. And I have all these little projects on the go in the back, and all these things I'm thinking about, and all these things I have to do, and the kids have hockey every weekend, and just there's so many things going on that I've sort of forgotten to shop. And now I'm going to Texas for work, and then I have to quarantine when I come back for 2 weeks. I will be done my quarantine exactly when Christmas starts. I'm like, I didn't think of this. I won't even be able to go shopping. So online shopping to the rescue, obviously. But there's things like for the kids and Joe and my mom, and just, we have 42 people to buy for. I've purchased nothing. Panic, friends. I'm feeling panic at this point. And so I don't know what happened, why I waited so long. So this weekend, I'm going to try to literally get all my Christmas shopping done in one weekend. Wish me luck. Also, why did I do this? I feel like, please just end 2020. Please just end. It's been less than ideal for all of us, right? And let me know if you have already started shopping, or if you're like me and you're feeling the panic. See you guys next time.